Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is, well, it's currently still testing this very important support area, which actually previously acted as resistance as well. So we had in the same area that we're testing now, resistance in 2022 and throughout 2023, a couple of times. Several times actually, and now we are obviously testing this area again from above, right? It's the area here between $1,790 and $2,098 as support. And I'm still watching to see if the price can generate an upside reversal from here. Unfortunately, there is not yet enough evidence to say that this is what's happening. The reactions to support have been fairly weak, I have to say. We haven't really seen any significant reactions to that $1,790 level. I still think this is an area where reward to risk for the bulls is really favorable. Nevertheless, without a clear low in place, this is tricky. Now, we do have some critical, let's say, levels for risk management on the smaller time frame that I think are interesting. Here on the larger time frame, of course, you could use the last swing low that formed early in March at 1790. But we'll take a look if we have any better levels on the smaller time frame in a minute. Should the price break below the March low, then the next support area will be at 1529, these swing lows from August and September and October 2023. Below that zone, I've got the 1254 to 1436 support zone. That would not be anymore a wave 4. We will then talk about different scenarios. Those will be scenarios that will not be really bullish anymore. Even here at the moment, I mean, I can't really call that bullish at the moment, what's happening, but it just means that we use the wave count as a tool to understand where we have a favorable reward to risk ratio, right? And also we use the Elliott waves to understand when we get upside trend confirmation reversals. So when does the price actually attempt an upside reversal? It's not happened yet, okay? So we'll take a look at that on the smaller time frame right now. This is the smaller time frame, and what we can see here is that the price is currently still moving higher, printing higher highs, higher lows, yes, but it's very choppy. It's very messy. And the nearest level for risk management here is $1,939. This is Fibonacci support, the 61.8 retracement, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at $1,939. I also track this trend line, which is not so important, but I'd say it still acts as support. So we have a couple of support levels here in this region. The price is currently coming down. I would not rule out another low here, but we're pretty much in a support area that we discussed also in yesterday's update. The price is currently testing that support area, and I'm waiting to see if the price can generate an upside reversal from here. This is the yellow scenario on the smaller time frame, which still allows for another high even in a short-term bearish scenario, because I just showed you on the larger time frame, this wave 4, that actually might have bottomed there earlier in March, right, at $1,790 in that region. Now, the reaction to the upside from that low is not impulsive, meaning we don't really have probabilities very clearly on our side, which means we cannot rule out that this is only a corrective rally. And what this analysis shows us is that even with one more high, it can be classed as a corrective rally. All that means is that we have to be on the side of caution and that there is no confirmed low in place. It takes a solid 5-wave move up, not a 3-wave move up only, to indicate that a substantial low has formed. That would be the white scenario, where I need another higher low and another higher high after the next high. The area around $2,083 will be next resistance, and if the price can break above it, it would already be a little bit too high for this corrective rally. So waiting to see if the market can generate that one more high and then hold a higher low. We will provide the support levels along the way, okay? So this is important to understand, and currently, we're tracking this Fibonacci support area, 1,939 to 1,988. We'll see if the price reacts to it. If yes, then a first break above 1995 $1,995 will be a first indication a local low is in place. We could easily get maybe marginally lower low here, but below $1,939, I would have to start to assume that a more substantial price top has already formed. There may be then the larger wave 4 has already topped, but these are the key levels to watch for today. Hope that helps. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.